Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my favorite Boxycharm review. Hope that's not my address. Boxycharm review. This month was a little interesting. Stick around and see what I have to say about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're here, and let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to go ahead and look at are these Luxy brushes. They're a Summer Days brush set. And it says it is $28 for these 3 brushes. Ooh, I don't like how they look at the bottom, but here they are. It looks like we got this fluffy, maybe contour. I'm gonna use it for highlight today. And then we have clearly 2 eye brushes, a flat packer, and then potentially like a crease blender. We'll go ahead and put those aside. We will try those later. Let's see, we're gonna use this small contouring brush. In our second item, this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder Loose Highlight. It is in the shade Purple Dream. So I have a full face of makeup on, blush, bronzer, all of that. So really I am just looking for some highlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this guy. Let's just get some in the lid here. I've had these before from a Boxycharm, and it's just messy. Loose highlights aren't my favorite. They are blinding, but I'm not sure if you can see that, but it definitely gives a purple kind of glow despite being so, you know, peachy dark. I thought it was going to be a little dark, but oh my god, is she glowing. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan because it's like an extra step. It's kind of messy application, then you got to go in, tap it off. It can provide it's not a convenience kind of application type of thing. You know, it can cause a mess if you're not careful. But I cannot deny this glow. Holy crap. Kind of like a purple shift. I'm really not sure if you can see it, but in my own mirror and everything, it is super nice. All right, I like this. Is it my favorite Boxycharm product? No. Am I going to keep it around? Yes, especially for the summer. I think that will prove to be a really interesting product. The next thing I got is this Luscious Angel Eyes Primer Eyeshadow Base. It comes in this tube. It looks like there's a lot in here. How much is this? $14. It's cruelty-free, vegan. It acts as a magnet for eyeshadow, concealer, primer, ensures a perfectly smooth canvas. Let's go ahead and try this on. A little tubey here. Okay, it's got... Ooh. Alright. Gonna brush that on. It definitely has skin tone color, which is gonna counteract any veins I have on like my lids or anything like that, which I do really, really like. I mean, at first glance, you know, I can't really judge it. Because I have to see how it works. But I think it's really interesting that we got such a huge kind of eyeshadow primer from a brand I've never heard of, so this is going to be really fun to try out. Moving right along, we have everybody's favorite thing, palettes. Boxycharm gives some great palettes, and this one is the Pure Festival palette. Oh, and it came with a eyeshadow primer sample. Don't need that today, but I love samples. Ooh, there's some glitter shadows in here. One moment, let me take this off. It comes with a nice big mirror, but look at this. Look at these 2 right here are pure glitter. Really like that. What am I gonna go in with it? Let's get to working. Okay, I want to touch this first. Ooh. More on my finger than anything. Oh, there we go. Holy moly. All right. We could definitely work with those. I'm very curious about this pink too. Feels nice. Looks nice. All right, I'm excited. Let's get started. So, okay. The colors beyond the shimmers or glitters, great. They blended like a dream. I used Wild Child, Epic, and Sunset today. I also dipped into 24 Karat Magic. This here, it looks... It's a little bit difficult. Now, I don't have much experience with pressed glitters. I mean, maybe I should have decided before trying it on how I wanted it to work out and lay on my eye. But I can also tell you very confidently that I will not be using these glitters again. Not only because it's just not my thing, unless I'm going to a festival like this palette is implying. I don't need these glitters or Halloween or something like that. But on top of that, you can't see it on camera, but there is glitter everywhere underneath my eyes. There's glitter on my forehead. There's glitter on all over my hands. There's just glitter everywhere now. Like, you can see it on my shirt over here. I'm just covered in it, and if I don't like, it's awful. It's actually awful how much glitter is on me. So I'm not the biggest fan. Beyond the pressed glitters, this palette is nice. Have we gotten better palettes in Boxycharm before? 150% yes. This would not be on my top list. And it's only because of those glitter shadows. Because the matte and that shimmer that I used is actually really good. So, kind of disappointed in this. Not gonna lie. Okay, so I just threw on... What is this? So I just threw on some mascara. It definitely made it look better. Not the best mascara. It is my everyday mascara I got from Wish. For whatever reason, that's the one I picked. Not the best for this. These brushes, I like. Definitely going in my brush collection. These guys worked really well. This applied my highlight pretty well. The last thing in the box is this holographic lip gloss from the brand Appeal, and it says that it is $21. They really go and nailed the whole festival theme, because this bad boy is holographic. Well, maybe not holographic, but it is clear. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it has a lot of glitter in it. I'm gonna definitely shifts a little bit blue. So let's see. I think it's just a nice gloss, if I'm being honest with you. Nothing special. Worth $21? Not even close. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching my Boxycharm review. I would say this is my first disappointing box in a long time. Even though the eye look I didn't get, wasn't bad, and nothing really was bad. It just wasn't something that works for me. I don't go to festivals, especially not anymore. I'm a little bit older now. But these glitter shadows just ruined a lot. I had to take this shirt off. I had to wash my hands. This is a little lackluster for me. The mattes in here blend like a dream, but these glitters which are supposed to be the kind of standout of this, didn't really work for me. This is just a lip gloss that you could get from the dollar store, and it's kind of sticky. Not a fan of that. The brushes, fantastic. This really pretty. I really like this. And the base is pretty nice too. So all in all, I think that it's a put together box, well thought out, but not for me. It's hit or miss. Sometimes you get good ones, and consistently with Boxycharm you get good ones, but this one just fell a little flat. So I'm really excited to see what next month's looks like, because we can only go up from here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my social media, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.